What is sound produced by? And the correct answer is sound is produced by vibrating bodies, which create sound waves. Which of the following instruments produces sound by vibrating strings? And the correct answer is the sitar produces sound by vibrating strings. What is the role of the eardrum in hearing? And the correct answer is the eardrum converts sound waves into vibrations that are sent to the brain. How does sound travel through different mediums? And the correct answer is sound travels through gases, liquids, and solids. What happens to sound in a vacuum? And the correct answer is sound cannot travel in a vacuum because there are no particles to transmit the sound waves. What is the frequency of a sound wave? And the correct answer is the frequency of a sound wave is the number of vibrations per second, measured in hertz. What determines the pitch of a sound? And the correct answer is the pitch of a sound is determined by its frequency. Higher frequency means higher pitch. What is loudness related to in sound waves? And the correct answer is loudness is related to the amplitude of sound waves. Larger amplitude means louder sound. Which of the following is an example of a musical instrument that uses a membrane to produce sound? And the correct answer is the tabla uses a membrane to produce sound. What is the term for the time taken to complete one cycle of a wave? And the correct answer is the time taken to complete one cycle of a wave is called the time period. What is the effect of increasing the amplitude of a sound wave? And the correct answer is increasing the amplitude of a sound wave increases its loudness. What is the range of audible frequencies for humans? And the correct answer is the range of audible frequencies for humans is approximately 20 Hz to 20 kHz. What type of sound is produced by a vibrating string? And the correct answer is a vibrating string produces a musical sound. What is noise pollution? And the correct answer is noise pollution refers to unwanted or unpleasant sounds that can cause discomfort. How can sound travel through solids? And the correct answer is sound travels through solids by vibrating particles that transmit the sound waves. What happens to sound waves when they encounter a barrier? And the correct answer is sound waves reflect when they encounter a barrier. What is the role of vocal cords in sound production? And the correct answer is vocal cords vibrate to produce sound when air passes through them. What is the effect of temperature on the speed of sound? And the correct answer is sound travels faster in warmer temperatures because the particles move more quickly. What is the primary function of the outer ear? And the correct answer is the primary function of the outer ear is to collect sound waves. What is the significance of the shape of the ear? And the correct answer is the shape of the ear helps in sound localization, allowing us to determine the direction of sounds. What is the relationship between sound and vibrations? And the correct answer is sound is produced by vibrations of objects. What is the effect of sound waves on the eardrum? And the correct answer is sound waves cause the eardrum to vibrate, which is essential for hearing. What is the primary source of sound in musical instruments? And the correct answer is the primary source of sound in musical instruments can be air, strings, or membranes, depending on the instrument. What is the role of the inner ear? And the correct answer is the inner ear converts vibrations into nerve signals that are sent to the brain. What is the effect of sound intensity on hearing? And the correct answer is high sound intensity can cause hearing loss due to damage to the auditory system,